Well, actually, there's a trade brewing with this next pick. Phoenix picks at number 21, and Boston has been trying to get back into this draft, trying to get Rajon Rondo, the Kentucky point guard, the sophomore point guard. So they're now working with Phoenix, since Rondo did not go before 21, to where they can select him for the Celtics. And then the Celtics would end up paying the salary of Brian Grant, taking that salary off of the Suns needing to dump some of that salary, and then they would pick at 21 Rondo. That's what is being proposed, being talked about as we speak between Phoenix and Boston. Dan?
All right, Andy, they also got Sebastian Telfair in regards to first-round draft pick and being able to put him in at the point. So this is the proposed deal, according to Andy Katz, what the Celtics receive and what the Suns will receive with this deal. The commissioner joins us with the Phoenix Suns on the clock, the pick that could end up going to Boston.
With the 21st pick in the 2006 NBA draft, the Phoenix Suns select Rajon Rondo from the University of Kentucky.
Well, we have our first point guard selected, and if you had Rajon Rondo in the lottery, you're a winner. A sophomore guard from Kentucky, not a great shooter. They got Sebastian Telfair, and we're talking about the Boston Celtics. If this deal that has been proposed is going down, the Suns will send Rondo to the Boston Celtics, who all of a sudden have some depth at the point guard position. So sophomore guard, first Kentucky player to lead the team in rebounding and assists in over 40 years. He's the 20th Kentucky player drafted in the first round, the first since Tayshaun Prince, 23rd overall back in 2002. Your thoughts on, let's talk about him as a talent first of all, Jay, and then we can get into where he fits in with the Celtics.
No, absolutely super run and jump athlete. He's got long arms, he's got huge hands. I think one of the best perimeter defenders in this draft. He can stay in front of just about everybody. He can handle it. He can get to the rim and finish there. He's an outstanding guard rebounder, but you identified it, Dan. The problem is he can't shoot it at all. Teams in the Southeastern Conference didn't even guard him. So you put him on the floor, and the guy that's guarding him, he tries to keep him away from the rim, and then he sits in the lap of your best player as a double team guy. So he's going to have to improve that shot. The question is, I don't think he's going to be a great shooter. You know, if he can become an adequate shooter, that would be great. But the other things that he does well, his positives, they're pretty solid, especially as a defender. And I think in the pro game, he's going to be a better player than he was in college because he's an open court player and the kind of guy that gets to the rim. And boy, I'll tell you, he grabbed 19 rebounds in one game this year. He's a big rebounder.